Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin our second video in the Interstate 22 series, and in this video we actually reach the beginning of I-22. I-22 begins at the future junction of I-269 in Byhalia, Mississippi. Although this is the beginning of Interstate 22, the mile markers begin at around mile 12. These miles are based on the beginning of U.S. Highway 78 in Mississippi, 12 miles before the start of I-22. The exits are numbered accordingly. When I-22 was designated in 2012, it was designated to close a gap in the interstate network, allowing more direct connections between cities in the southeast, such as Atlanta and Birmingham, with those of the Great Plains, such as Oklahoma City. I-22 was originally approved by Congress in 1978, and a portion of the highway opened in Alabama as early as 2005. The first I-22 shields were deployed in Alabama in April of 2013, and Mississippi officially signed the route in 2015. As we approach Holly Springs, a sign denotes the Rust College, a historically black liberal arts college, as well as the Ida B. Wells Barnett Museum, named for a local investigative journalist who helped to found the NAACP. Holly Springs is the county seat of Marshall County and has a population of 7,682. The area just east of Holly Springs was designated as the Holly Springs National Forest in 1936. Before the National Forest was established, much of the land was abandoned agricultural land with rapidly eroding soils. These rolling hills are now covered with loblolly and shortleaf pines and upland hardwoods. The Civilian Conservation Corps used loblolly pines because it was easy to plant, was suitable for the depleted soils of the north central hills, and cast a large load of needles to help prevent further erosion. The land owned by the Forest Service is intermingled with private farms and woodlots. We reach the town of Potts Camp and conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.